In unit 1, you have first unit locus. You should know the definition of locus first. Locus is set of points which satisfies a given condition. Means what? So if we are writing any point on a plane, when x-axis, y-axis is drawn, suppose if I write point P here and point A here, what we find? We find 2 points on a plane, on a graph paper. If we find 2 points on graph paper or single point on graph paper, it has one geometric condition. That means if I join this point, what does it becomes? PA, distance PA. So that is PA distance is geometric condition. So the definition is set of points APA or PB or anything. Set of points which satisfies a given condition is known to be locus. So whenever if anyone asks you what is locus, so some points are there on plane. If they have some geometric condition in between them or relationship in between them, then we can say that it is considered to be locus. Now, what you want to learn before starting the unit, few points are there. Few points are there which you have to remember in this. First point is distance formula. If you want to find distance between 2 points, suppose these are the 2 points A and B. If I want to find distance, I can use the formula root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula, what we use in 10th class. Now, suppose A is equals to 1 comma minus 2, B is equals to 4 comma minus 4 comma 3. This is the question. We will consider x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then we will write root over, bracket is there, x2 whatever value minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is going to be minus 4 minus 1. Both are negative and no multiplication sign is there, that is minus 5 whole square. This is 5 whole square. You have to consider brackets till the end of the calculation. Now after squaring it, minus 5 we are multiplying 2 times. We will get plus 25. This is plus 25. Again 5 is multiplied 2 times. That is also plus 25. Root over 50. This is the answer of AB. Distance AB. Now the same thing you can find in this way. A point A is there to you, given to you. Point B is given to you. I will write here. Point B is given to you. Now if I want to find AB, distance AB, what I will do? I will take one rule. I will not take x1, y1, x2, y2, nothing like that. Just what you have to do is first minus first whole square. 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4 whole square plus second minus again. Second whatever value minus 3 whole square. Now this is root over 1 plus 4 5 square minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 square. So this is root over 25 plus 25. This is root 50. Okay. Now what we have to remember before starting locus unit. In this locus unit, we'll use distance formula. What I said, set of points in a plane. Suppose there is a point on a plane and A and B are the two other points. There is a distance PA and PB, and I said that they are at equal distance. So whenever you find equidistant word, point 1 to remember, equidistant. Point B is equidistance from A and B. So what is the meaning of equidistance? The distance from P to A geometrically. If this is the case given to you on a plane, how we will write geometrically equidistant? Then we will write PA is equals to PB. Second point, right angled. P is at right angle. means there is a triangle. Here P is there. Remaining 2 points considered to be AB. If you find right angle given to you in the question, that time you have to think that this is hypotenuse AB, this is one base, this is one side, both sides are there, one is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Or in simple words, if you find a right angle, and if I'll ask you right angle at P, what is the condition if I'll ask? You have to tell PA square plus PB square equals to AB square. You remember that one. If I'll ask equidistance, that time you have to tell PA equals to PB. Then coordinate axis. These are points to remember. If we start any unit, you should remember some points, few points, so that at the time of solving the question, they are going to be more useful to you. So what you have to do, whenever we are doing any problem, I'll tell you from starting onwards. So best thing is, whenever we are starting unit, you should know the definition of that one, then you should know the points which you need to remember at the time of questions, which are going to be helpful to you. If I'll ask you equidistant or equidistance, you should tell me PA equals to PB. And if I'll ask you right angled triangle, what you have to tell? Right angle at P or right angle triangle is mentioned to you. I'll ask you at the time of questions, or I'll explain you. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square, you have to remember. If coordinate axis is given to you, coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis combined. If there are 2 points on x-axis and y-axis, they are known to be coordinate axis. These two are coordinate axis. When coordinate axis is given, you should take A is equals to x comma 0, B is equals to 0 comma y. Okay, these 3 points. Then few more points you need to remember, that also I have right here. Fourth one, I am going in this pattern so that this is visible to you. More visibility is there. So equidistance PA equals to PB. Right angle is given, PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. If coordinate axis is given to you, you should tell A is x comma 0, B is 0 comma y. If they will give you point on x axis, so you have to tell A is equals to x comma 0. Point on y axis, coordinate axis points. These two are x and y axis points. B is equals to 0 comma y. If origin is mentioned, origin means if x and y axis is there, this point is origin, 0 comma 0. O is equals to 0 comma 0. Okay. These are the 6 points which you need to remember. One area of triangle formula is there, that also you have to remember. Area of triangle ABC, half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This pattern you can follow 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. That order you can remember, that you should write in a line. This is modulus. This is the 7th point. And the 8th point which you need to remember is, if a ratio is mentioned to you, ratio of distances from P. If ratio of distances from P is given, you should tell me PA is to PB. How to use those things? Now we are going to start the unit. You have to remember whatever points I tell you. These are the things which you need to remember. How to remember this one? You have to by heart it. There is no other option. You need to learn this one. Some 10 times you read out, you will get that one. Then, now if there is a point P, x comma y on a plane, and A is 1 comma minus 2. Okay. Now I am finding distance of this one. Distance, but I am taking square here. If I will not take square here, distance is root over first minus first whole square plus second minus second. If minus is there already, plus 2 whole square. Now same thing, what I am doing, check it out. And I don't want to use root here. Suppose if I want PA square, means PA distance with square value. So if PA square we need, what we will do, we will not take root here because square is there, square and root are cancelled. First minus first, in bracket you can take first minus first whole square, then second minus second whole square. Suppose P is equals to x comma y is there and B is equals to 1 minus 2 comma 3 is there. If I want PB square, what we have to do for PB square? First minus first, x minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square, second minus second. So in this way you have to remember. One more time I will tell you this one, then we will start unit. P is equals to x comma y and suppose C is equals to minus 4 comma 3. If I want PC square, why I want PC square? At the time of question we are going to get to know this one, why I am taking this. PC square, suppose to find PC square, what we will do? PC square we have to write, then first x minus of minus, that is plus sign, whole square, plus second minus second whole square. This is one thing. Now as we have discussed earlier, suppose x minus 2 whole square is there. This is a minus b whole square. How to expand this one? X square, if minus is there also, it can take plus only. Then minus 2ab, 2 into x into 2. Suppose x minus 5 whole square is there. How we will write this one? X square plus 5 square minus 2 into x into 5. Similarly, suppose x minus 6 whole square is there. X square plus 6 square. Don't take minus here. If minus is there in between, that comes in the third. For the third term, 2 into x into 6. Then after expansion, what you have to do again at the time of problem? Now we will start problem. If you remember, asked me about how the book looks. Book looks in this way. This is 1B textbook, 1B mathematics. Here Telugu Academy Hyderabad is given to you, but this is English medium textbook. These 8 points we use at the time of problems. And some logics which already we have done in 10th class, that logics also we will use. Now, this is your first question of intermediate first year 1B. So follow nicely so that you can able to do whenever you do the problems. Things to remember, whenever you find any question and locus word is given to you, locus of point means there is a point on a plane. You have to think in this way. There is P. Locus is given means P doesn't have 1, 2, 2, 3, nothing is given. So x, y we have to take. Equation of locus of point is mentioned to you. So always whenever locus of point is given, point is mentioned, you should take let P is equals to x, y be a point on locus means on plane. Okay, so always first point will be the same. Let p is equals to x comma y be a point on locus. That you have to by heart. From where we find this one? Whenever a question, all questions have this point. So I'll post that questions also after completion of the unit. Those who have not taken the textbook also, no problem. I'll anyhow post the questions, answer everything. All problems we'll do. Few problems have been deleted from the book. That also I'll make you do that one afterwards. First, let understand whatever I want to make you understand. If you find very easy, then afterwards we'll discuss each and everything. Equation of locus of point. Locus is, whenever locus word is given, this first point you should write. Let p is equal to xy be a point on locus. Then search for any other point is given or not in this one. We find locus equation which is at a distance phi from A. A is given to you. You can write A immediately after this. Immediately behind this point, after P, immediately you should write A in the very next line next to P. A is equals to 4 comma minus 3. Now check it out. Any other point is given or not, like origin or anything else. Equation of locus of point we should find which is at a distance phi from A. See, those who can understand the statements, they can easily do this. Point which is at a distance phi from A. Suppose if English is, any sentence is given in English, if I want to plot on a point, what I can do? There is a point P which is at a distance phi from A. This is given to you in sentence form. So we should find condition now. Locus definition: set of points which satisfy certain condition. Which condition? That 2 points are given to us. In these 2 points, PA is equals to 5 is given to us. So what is the condition? From P to A, the distance is 5. If PA is 5, we should square this one. Why we are squaring? So that we can't take root all the time. To avoid root, we should square on both sides. So this becomes PA square equals to 5 square. Now, PA square equals to 25. Got it? Check it out once again. Find equation of locus of point which is at a distance 5 from A. Step 1, always by seeing locus, you should write let P is equal to xy be a point on locus. Then A is equal to whatever points are there remaining. Sometimes B is given to you, origin is given to you. Whatever points are there, write it. Immediately in the next line, next to P. Then write condition, means what is given in the question. What are the points given? There is a point P which is distance 5 from A. So PA is equals to 5. By reading out this one, we get to know that there is a condition which is used in this. So PA is equals to 5. By squaring on both sides, PA square is equals to 5 square. Why we are squaring? To avoid square root. PA square. Just to watch PA. P and A are here. First minus first whole square. Plus second minus second whole square. Y minus of minus 3. Y plus 3 whole square equals to 25. From here onwards, you should simplify E minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B, 2 into X into 4 plus Y square plus 3 square plus 2 into Y into 3. This 25 comes to left side equals to 0. Now this is X square. 4 square, don't think 8, this is 16. This is 2 4s are 8x. This is Y square, then 9. 2 3s are 6y, then minus 25 equal to 0. After expansion and multiplication, we should arrange the terms. What is the meaning of arrangement? We have to check how many x squares are there, how many y squares are there, how many x terms are there, how many y terms are there, and how many terms which are constants. Now x square, single x square, so we will write x square as. Don't add x square and 16, 16x square, we can't add them. Then y square. Then x terms, the terms which would be the sign, whatever given to us. Then 6y. Then check the constants, positive values, 16 positive, 9 positive. So plus values are 25, minus 25, cancelled. So both are cancelled, we got 0. Is required equation. Required equation of locus. This is your first problem. If you are good in this first problem, then we can move further. Check once again. They have given equation of locus of point which is at a distance phi from A. First thing, whenever locus is given, you can take P is equal to x by b point on locus. Then check for the points. A is there, B is there, C whatever. Write A. Then condition we have to write condition. From where we have to write condition? We have to check after point what is given, which is at a distance. Means point is at a distance phi from A. So PA is equals to phi. Then square it, distance formula. Then we can get the equation. Copying the first one. So this is the question, second one. So those who are following this one, those who are watching the video, see from where I am starting this one, that you have to keep in mind. Equation of locus of point is given. Whenever I say a locus is mentioned, point is mentioned to you, let P is equals to xy be a point on plane or on locus, you can write. Where is it? There is a point P. Okay. Which is equidistance from A and B. So whatever points we find, we'll write this immediately in the next line to P, and B is equals to, in this pattern we'll write. You can write in straight order, but this is the way which I prefer you to write. P, P is not there, but locus of point means P you have to consider. Then A and B are the 2 points which you have to take. After this, which is equidistance from the points A and B. What does it mean? I told you to remember, points to remember. Points to remember, equidistant is given to you, that means PA is equal to PB. So that is our geometric condition, or simply condition. PA is equals to PB. It is given to us. Condition given in the question. Equidistance is mentioned means mathematical sentence form it is given to you. Mathematically we can write this one as PA equals to PB. Then square it on both sides. We'll have PA square equals to PB square. The reason for squaring is to avoid square root all the time. Now PA square, first and first. First minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. Short form. Don't take x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 minus x1 whole square. That is for 10th class. Now you are in intermediate, so first minus first. Minus is already there, you will get plus sign here. Second minus second whole square, in between plus, then equal to is there. P and B, just watch P and B. First minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. Now this is A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Y square plus 2 square minus 2 into Y into 2. This is x minus 0, x square. Don't need to take x square plus 0 square, no need. This is y minus 4 whole square. Y square plus 4 square minus 2 into y into 4. So what I did after writing the formula, we have to expand this one. This is also expanded. So all the 4 terms expand. Then we should simplify this one. Just write down the simplification terms, whatever you are getting by squaring it, by multiplying this. This is x square and y square plus 16 minus 8y. Now take all the terms to one side. This is x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y, then minus x square minus y square minus 16 plus 8y equals to 0. Now what we have to do is cancel the terms like and unlike terms. Suppose x square, check y, any other x square is there, minus x square, both are cancelled. Then check y square is there, minus y square is there, both are cancelled. Then check x terms. This is plus 6x. Any other x term? No other x term. So only plus 6x. Then we have any y term is there, minus 4y plus 8y plus 4y. How we get? We need to pay 4. We have 8. So minus 4 and 8 is plus 4y. Then check constants. Plus 9 plus 4. Positive value is 13. Minus 16. We have 13. We need to pay 16. So we need to pay 3. Is required equation. Required equation of locus. Got it? Check once again. First you should arrange the points in order. Then condition you should take. Condition means it is given to you in sentence form or it is given in other form. You can just copy down that one. Then square it on both sides. After squaring, PA square means you should know first and first P and A we should take distance formula without root. Then P and B we should take distance formula without root. Those who have not understood, again you can go reverse it for 1-2 minutes. Then you can get this one. Again you can watch it. How many times? Till you understand, you have to watch that many times. See, mathematics is easy, but that is not that much easy also that you can ignore and you can get that one. Basics are left, you can't able to watch this one. Starting P and A, whatever I have taken, that you follow nicely, you can easily do that one. Quite interesting or quite difficult, we can say. Somewhat. Nothing is difficult in mathematics, but if you will not follow, it may be difficult for you. Equation of locus. Clearly what we can will write, let P is equals to xy be a point on locus. After that, you have to check for the points. What are the points given to us? Before writing the condition, P we have to write, then such that distance to P from origin. Origin is given, so O is given to you, 0, 0. Then distance so on, so on. A is also given. Step 1, locus is given, let P is equals to xy be a point on locus. Origin is given, O is equal to 0, 0 and A is equals to 1, 2. Check any other point is given to you, they have not given any other point. So we have to read out the question, find whatever the points given to us, write in a line. Then condition. See, when geometric condition is there, sometimes equidistance directly we have taken PA equals to PP, which I have given in the point. Sometimes you have to find what is given in the sentence. That is very easy. Those who can understand the sentences of English, they can easily do. And those who are from Urdu medium and Telugu medium, they can follow this one. Locus of point such that distance of P from origin. See, P from origin, distance of P from origin means PO is equal to twice the distance of P from A. Twice means 2 times P from A. Distance of P from origin. P and origin are there, so PO we have to take. Is equal to. Twice is mentioned. Twice means 2. Thrice means 3. In that way, distance of P from A. P from A means PA. Now, as usually, squaring on both sides. PO square equals to, here we have 2. 2 square, PA square. Now, PO square means first and first. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. 2 square is 4. Then PA square. First minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. Okay. What do we have to do? PO means first minus first, second minus second. PA means first minus first, second minus second. Now simplification. X minus 0, x square. Don't expand this one. X square plus 0 square minus 2 into x into 0. No need. X minus 0 is x, whole square is given. Y minus 0 is y, whole square is given. 4 is outside, so bracket is compulsory. 2 square 4, 4 is multiple of whole thing, so we can consider bracket and expand that one. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Here also a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Then bracket closed. Here x square plus y square is there. 4x square plus 4 ones are 4, or else first simplify inner bracket. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2x, y square, 2 square is 4, 2 twos are 4y. Now this is x square plus y square. 4 is multiplied to first one, 4 is multiplied to second one, 4 twos are 8, 4 into y square, 4y square, 4 for the 16 minus 4 for the 16y. After writing this, after simplification, there big side is there, here small side is there. So first we will write right hand side. 4x square plus 4 minus 8x plus 4y square plus 16 minus 16y. Right side, then left side values we are sending there. Minus 1x square minus 1y square equal to 0. Now we have to arrange and write. Arranging means x squares. How many x squares are there? 4x square and 1x square, 3x square, 4y square and 1y square, plus 3y square, then x values, minus 8x, then y values, minus 16y, then constants. Constant means first plus 4, plus 16, plus 20, equal to 0 is required equation of locus. See, simplification part, if you try 1 or 2 times, you can easily get this. Find equation of locus of point which is equidistance from coordinate axis. See, locus of point is given. Let P is equals to xy be a point on locus. After writing this point, we should check whether other points are given or not. They will give other points which is equidistance from coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means we have to take A is equals to x comma 0, B is equals to 0 comma y. These are the 2 points on coordinate axis. That means x axis and y axis. First we have to consider all the 3 points. From where we got P? Equation of locus, we got P is equals to xy. Then condition. After points we will write condition always. What is the geometric condition given? Clearly equidistant. Equidistant means points to remember. What is that? PA equals to PB. Once we don't find any square to it, square it on both sides. Here PA square equals to PB square. For PA what we will do? First and first. First minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. For PB same thing. First minus first whole square, second minus second whole square. This is x minus x 0. This is y square. X minus 0 x square. Y minus 1 0 y square. Y square equals to x square. So in mathematics we write x square equals to y square. Both are equal, we can change the sides. Y square comes to this side. Minus y square equal to 0 is required equation of locus. Rubbing board is time consuming. Y axis is given to you. Y coordinate is different, y axis is different. First thing, by saying this, let P is equals to x comma y be a point on locus. A is equals to point given to us. Then one more point is given. Y axis is given. So y axis means we have to consider B is equals to 0 comma y. This is point on y axis. The question is given in this way. Equation of locus, point P is equidistant from A and there is one more point B. Because equidistant means 2 points they will give definitely. A is given, so what is B? You have to think that y axis, a point on y axis. They are not given clearly, but you have to think that the point on y axis is mentioned. So what is there in the next step? Condition. Equidistant means just PA is equals to PB, you should remember. Because I have given you points, remember, from that PA equals to PB, we got squaring, PA square equals to PB square. PA square, first minus first whole square, second minus second whole square. Then PB square, first minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. So here A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. This is Y square. Here X square plus 0 square. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square minus x square equal to 0. Now we have to count down number of x squares, so these two cancelled. Then whatever remains, first write square value, then x value, then constant equal to 0 is required equation of locus. So these are the first 5 problems which we have done. You have to follow the question, read out the question, then copy down one time, then do with yourself. Think of whatever points I have told to you. Squaring, this one simplification problems are there. Be without writing, you can't practice it. Practice 1 or 2 times, that is very helpful to you to remember till exams, okay? What you have to do? all those 5 questions you have to copy in your notes, take snap of that one, then upload on WhatsApp or send to WhatsApp. Okay.